stranger first, trying to endanger us. Praise me, y'all. Don't nothing faze me, y'all. When they see me, they gaze me, y'all. Crazy, y'all. They say I'm a myth. Trust me, if somebody ripped out of the depths of your imagination, appears Will Smith. Black suit, the black shades, the black shoes, black tie with the black attitude. New style, black Ray-Bans, I'm stunning, man. New hotness, pitch black 600, man. Don't you understand? What you thought I wouldn't come again? Leave you hanging without bringing you the fun again? Tangle in with the alien scum again? Mind your manners or the black suit running in. Nod your head. Let me see you nod your head like this. Let me see you like this. Let me see you rock your head, nod your head. Come on. Let me see you like this. Let me see you nod your head like this. Check it, yo, it's this chick, right? Serlina, making me sick, right? Earth is worthless to her, she be tripping like threatening me and my men's trying to get the light. Thinking she's Superwoman, but black kryptonite. Finishing whatever you start, son. The best looking crime fighter since myself in part one. Better act right, play nice, and sing along. Cause K is back any height. What? Bring it on! Wanna brawl with me? Tryna brawl with me?